On this video, we are learning drop 2 voicings in the key of E flat. So we are in the key of E flat. So we are in the key of E flat, and we are going to learn the drop 2 voicing. So drop 2, voicing simply means, if you obviously when you're playing, chords on your right hand, simply means dropping the second note, and your second note is always gonna be the middle note that you're playing. For instance, if I'm on 1, and then it means I need to drop the second note, which is this one here, and then it's G in this case. So I have E flat, I have G, and I have B flat there. So it means now I need to drop this G, right? And then obviously in numbers I have 1, 3, 5. It means now I need to drop number 3, right? So that drop 2 simply means that dropping this second note here and playing it on your left hand. So this is how it's going to sound like. So let me play this same notes without dropping the second note, and then you hear how it sounds. So now let me drop that note again. We need your love today. I know that you are listening, 'cause you hear me every day. Okay, let's take another song that is well known. Like, let's take for instance the Sure song, right? And you're gonna play it using the drop 2 voicings, and you're gonna be dropping the middle, the note that I'm playing in the middle, because I'm using chords. So instead of playing this one, as I explained, I'm gonna be dropping this G here if I'm playing 1. So now let me play the song Yeshua. Yeshua. So when I'm not dropping the voicings, here's how it sounds. Let me apply the drop 2 voicings again. Let's take another song and then we end the video. So let's take the song We Lift Him Higher, right? So when I'm not applying the drop 2 voicings, we lift him higher, we lift him higher. When the praises goes up, His glory comes down. Now let me apply the drop 2 voicings. So it's gonna be we lift him higher. We lift him higher, we lift him higher. When the praise goes up, His glory come down. This was the drop 2 voicings.